There is something about their feelings they haven't admitted, not even to themselves. This is a timeless love reading focused on the emotional truth behind their feelings for you right now. We'll look at what they are feeling, what they hide, what they fear expressing, their true intentions towards you, what blocks them emotionally, how they see you, and likely emotional outcome over the next 30 days. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the cards and see what is the real truth about their feelings for you right now. Their current emotional state, Page of Wands, what they feel but don't show, the Moon, what they fear expressing, Knight of Pentacles, their true intentions towards you, Three of Pentacles, what blocks them emotionally, Queen of Swords, how they see you, Ace of Cups. We'll also pull out the overall outcome. This will be your likely emotional outcome for the next 30 days. Don't put up with my BS. For those who are new here, I am Mystic Enchantress 1111 and I share intuitive, timeless love guidance like this. Their current emotional state is Page of Wands. We'll clarify this and see. Queen of Cups. Their true emotional state or their current emotional state is they are thinking about the future. If you can see, they are thinking about the future and they are worried about their emotional state because they wanted to be successful. They want to see the stability in this relationship, but they are emotionally not stable. They have some negativity in them and they are emotionally unstable considering this relationship. And what they feel but don't show. As I said, they are emotionally low, they are emotionally unstable. So they feel emotionally low and they have someone in their life. That might be a third party situation. They have someone in their life and they are not saying that to you. And because of which maybe you have conflicts in your relationship. So this might be because of some third party situation and they are not trying to say you about that third party situation. What they fear expressing is, we'll clarify this, it's Hermit. So they want to be in a romantic relationship with you and they wanted to see success with that and they are dreaming about you, about the love life with you. They want to see growth and stability and they are trying to introspect themselves because as I said, they are having some third party situation and they don't show that to you. They don't show that there is someone else in their life and they are feared of that because they are trying to introspect all the issues in their relationship and the issues in their emotional state. And they are very feared to express that to you because of the third party situation. And their true intentions towards you is Three of Pentacles. They want to be with you, as I said, they want to spend time with you and they want to want you to help them to solve this third party situation. Maybe they have come across or will clarify. Yeah, as I said, they have the third party situation and they are worried about that, and they are into lot of depression, and they are feeling stressed because of this third party. Maybe they unintentionally, or it was an accident to connect with the third party, and now they are regretting. And what their true intentions towards you is, we'll clarify that. Two of Pentacles. Yes, as I said, they want to collaborate with you and they want to balance this relationship with you, and they want to balance their priorities in terms of you. Choosing some other person, maybe that was by accident, or it can be, see, sometimes when we are low or when we feel, when we are in anger, we may do some things. With you, that means they want to choose you over the third party. And what blocks them emotionally doing that is they need some mental clarity. We'll see what is that. Yeah, so they are waiting for the mental clarity and they are seeking guidance from their divine, and they need mental clarity before they express to you or before they say to you what, because they are not having that courage right now and mental clarity right now to express themselves to you. If you can see, they are not that confident enough now. But they don't have courage and they are seeking guidance from their divine or from their angels to help them. They see you as a person who is trustworthy, who is a gift from divine, and they are emotionally fulfilled with you. And once they encounter or once they are in a situation with the third party, now they understand your value more, because from the beginning they know that you are the divine blessing for them, but now they understand more because they have encountered a betrayal, a tricky situation with the third party. Now, because of which now they are understanding their value. Come, if you can see, don't put up with my bullshit. So your partner, they know they have created a bullshit and they don't want to hurt you because of the mess they have created. Resonating, you might want to subscribe. These messages tend to find people exactly into their mess, or they don't want you to put up with their bullshit, and they are thinking about future. They're emotionally low because of the mess they have created, and they know that they are stuck in a third party situation, and because of which they are feeling stressed and depressed, and they are not saying that to you. Freshly start your relation again and balance everything out, and want to see success and growth with you. And what blocks them is they need a mental clarity. As I said, they are introspecting themselves and going through all the issues what they have, issues because of which their emotional state is very low now, and now they need a mental clarity because of which they are trying to betrayal, or you are the person who can never betray them. So they see you as a divine blessing and they know that from the beginning, but somehow they are stuck in this third party and they are feared of expressing that to you. Don't worry, eventually they will come back to you once they introspect everything and they restore their courage. Beautiful souls, what matters most isn't just how they feel, but how clearly you now understand your own value in this connection.